How to recover old permanently deleted YouTube accounts. So let's get started. First of all, go to the myaccount.google.com/brand accounts. To recover your deleted YouTube account through Google settings, first you must open this link https myaccount.google.com brand accounts on the Google browser. However, you must verify that you have logged into Google using the same Gmail account that was in your removed YouTube channel. Otherwise, your deleted account will be impossible to locate using brand account. Therefore, using the same Gmail account as the deleted YouTube channel, you must open Google and search for the provided URL. Then, click on Deleted Accounts. After opening the link on Google, you will directly reach the brand account page. On that page, you will see a heading which says Manage Your Brand Accounts, and below that will be some options such as pending invitations, email preferences, and deleted accounts. Now, on YouTube, click the button Deleted Accounts. As a result, you will see your deleted YouTube channel and the ability to restore it by clicking on the Deleted Accounts option. From there, you can restore brand accounts. Now you may recover your deleted YouTube channel account by clicking on the option. Next, follow the guidance and your account will be unlocked. It may take few days to restore the channel, so have patience. After done so, simply the other method is to go Google support page. Using the Google support page is one of the first approaches. All you must do is pick the contact us option from the page after clicking on need more help. After done so, you can select between real-time interaction and email. Spanish and English support teams are available around the clock. In most countries, however, support teams will be only accessible during regular working hours from Monday to Friday. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.